ତୁମେ ଖାଇସାରିଲଣି? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? ମୁଁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଖାଇ ନାହିଁ। I have not eaten yet. I have not eaten yet. ସେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଠାରେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? What is he still doing there? What is he still doing there? ସେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଠିଆ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି। He is still standing. He is still standing. ଆଜି ବର୍ଷା ହେବ କି? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଆଜି ବର୍ଷା ହେବ। It looks like it will rain today. It looks like it will rain today. ବା କହିବା It seems it will rain today. It seems it will rain today. ଆଜି ତୁମେ କେତେବେଳେ ଭେଟିବ? When will you meet today? When will you meet today? ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଦେଖା ହେବ। See you tonight. See you tonight. ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? ବା କହିବା What would you like to do? What would you like to do? ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କିଛି କିଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to buy something now. I want to buy something now. ଏହାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯାଏ ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତି କି? Do you know what it's called? Do you know what it's called? ନା ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। No, I don't know. No, I don't know. ପାଣିପାଗ କିପରି ଅଛି? How is the weather? How is the weather? ଆଜି ପାଗ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ। The weather is very bad today. The weather is very bad today. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର କେଉଁଠି? Where are you from? Where are you from? ଆମେ କଲିକତାରୁ ଆସିଛୁ। We are from Kolkata. We are from Kolkata. ମୁଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବି କି? Should I wait? Should I wait? ତାହା ତୁମ ଉପରେ ନିର୍ଭର କରେ। That's up to you. That's up to you. ଆପଣ ଏହା ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି କି? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? ମୁଁ ଏହା ଦେଖିସାରିଛି। I have already seen it. I have already seen it. ତୁମେ ଏଠି କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? ମୁଁ କିଛି କିଣିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. ତୁମେ ଫେରି ପାରିବ କି? Can you come back? Can you come back? ମୁଁ ଫେରି ଆସିବି। I will be right back. I will be right back. ତୁମର କ'ଣ ହେଲା? What happened to you? What happened to you? ମୁଁ ତୃଷାର୍ତ୍ତ। I am thirsty. I am thirsty. ଖାଦ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ କିଏ ଦେବ? Who will pay for food? Who will pay for food? ମୁଁ ରାତ୍ରି ଭୋଜନ ପାଇଁ ଦେବି। I will pay for dinner. I will pay for dinner. ତୁମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କିଛି କରିବ କି? Will you do something now? Will you do something now? ଚାଲ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିବା। Let's practice English. Let's practice English. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଠାରେ କେହି ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? Is anyone there now? Is anyone there now? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଠାରେ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି। Nobody is there right now. Nobody is there right now. ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ କରନ୍ତି କି? Do you need more? Do you need more? ତାହା ବହୁତ ଅଧିକ. That's too much. That's too much. ଏହା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କି? Is it ready? Is it ready? ହଁ, ଏହା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ. Yes, it is completely ready. Yes, it is completely ready. ବା କହିବା Yes, it is fully prepared. Yes, it is fully prepared. ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ ଆସିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ କି? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? ନା, ମୋର ବହୁତ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଅଛି. No, I have a lot of work to do. No, I have a lot of work to do. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଥିଲ? Where were you? Where were you? ମୁଁ ଅଫିସରେ ଥିଲି. I was in the office. I was in the office. ତୁମ ପିତାମାତା କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? How are your parents? How are your parents? ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି. Everyone is fine. Everyone is fine. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସମୟ ଅଛି କି? Do you have time? Do you have time? ହଁ, ମୋର ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଅଛି. Yes, I have plenty of time. Yes, I have plenty of time. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଛି କି? Is it raining now? Is it raining now? ହଁ, ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଛି. Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's raining. ତୁମ ମନରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? ମୁଁ କେବଳ ଭାବୁଛି. I am just thinking. I am just thinking. ଏହାର ସ୍ୱାଦ କିପରି? How does it taste? How does it taste? ଏହା ସ୍ୱାଦିଷ୍ଟ. It's delicious. It's delicious. ତୁମେ ମୋ ମୋବାଇଲ ଦେଖିଛ କି? Have you seen my mobile? Have you seen my mobile? ନା, ତୁମେ ମୋତେ କାହିଁକି ପଚାରୁଛ? No, why do you ask me? No, why do you ask me?